Hi guys, it's Kristen from Blue Egg Brown Nest. I am recording with a light ring, which is really funny because I don't think creative people want to use things like light rings, but it's kind of dark in my study. You might recognize it. I'm used to doing, as you know, videos in my driveway. I hear from so many of you every single day that have followed me from day one and my YouTube tutorials. Thank you. You mean so much to me. And I thought instead of reading, I've heard some feedback on my memoir, Starving, that it's a little heavy in the beginning, and I get that, but so is life. And I truly believe that if we turn away from the hard, we don't grow and learn from it and process it through. If we turn towards it, then we can actually move through it and on to the next thing, which is hopefully health and healing. And it's really what I've done, and I am in a new place. But I kind of thought it would be fun to talk about you guys and our relationship. So I wanted to read a little passage about Blue Egg and the videos. So if you'll allow me to. It's chapter 16, just a little bit. Hi readers, it's Kristen from Blue Egg Brown Nest. I'm going to show you how to use Annie Sloan chalk paint. I have this beautiful vintage dresser of drawers here that I found at a local estate sale. I took the hardware off and I'm planning on painting it Annie Sloan's French linen. I love the neutral colors best because they will work in most rooms. I turned towards the chest and picked up a can of Annie Sloan chalk paint. The best part about this paint is that you don't have to prep your piece. You don't have to strip it or sand it. You just have to paint. I faced the video camera that I had poised on a small bistro table in the driveway and shook the can. I was 30 years old and I was healing, working with my hands, and creating beauty. The process of painting was life-giving. Guys, that's so true. And I know it's been so true for so many of you that have told me that. So even though styles and trends change, even though people aren't painting furniture quite as much right now, it's going to come back. It is going to come back, and it's always there, and it's always available to us, isn't it? We can always change and upcycle a piece of furniture, and we can always change and decide to move through pain and grow. So I love you all, and I will see you soon.